The Tikom G8000 Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature with an electronically controlled water pump and adjustable 3-level water output, ensuring your home is completely clean. The G8000 utilizes gyroscope smart navigation, following an efficient zig-zag path for thorough cleaning, improving cleaning efficiency by 30% compared to random path robotic vacuums. With a powerful 2700 PA suction, the G8000 is ideal for short and medium pile carpets and hardwood floors, and it automatically returns to its charging station when the battery is low. The G8000 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is compatible with an application that includes 5 cleaning modes and can also connect to Alexa and Google Home, providing convenience and versatility in its use. The G8000 model features a carpet boost function that automatically increases suction power 3 times on carpets for a deeper clean, and boundary strips to set no-go areas. The G8000 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, with a high review score of 4.2 out of 5 from 406,630 reviews, and selling 3,000 units monthly, is a highly popular and trusted cleaning solution for many homes.